Steven! It is 7:55 in the morning. It is Friday, though.
Everybody's coming.
Sounds made by a sleeping noodle.
Now go ah. Good morning, baby boy.
So it's the middle of the day. I replaced all this grass this morning, and these guys don't give a shit that I'm here, or that it's daylight and they're nocturnal animals, or that I have a dog that's been barking all day.
Way better live.
It is. Wow, that thing's close, eh? Holy moly, did you see that call?
Don't, but like, you have to be so still.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Who's this coming into my home?
Good girl. Good girl.
Get a pet velociraptor, you said, Steven. It would be fun, Steven.
Get over here. Right here. What the hell did you do? No, this is your mess. No, you've already had enough.
Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. What's doing? What's doing? What's doing? I'm checking you out. You're screaming. Why are you screaming?